In-service guide. Disposable powered circular stapler. Intocare powered stapling platform with e-stapling technology. Nomenclature. Circular stapler. Powered handle. Anvil. Cartridge. Staple height indicator. Safety button. Release button. LED indicator. Close fire button. Open button. Steps to use. Assembling powered handle. Use sterile technique. Take out the powered handle, battery pack and manual tool. Arrow to arrow. Insert the battery into battery compartment. A click sound should be heard. Power indicator turns on. Connection indicator flashes. Press close fire button and open button to make sure the powered handle is functional. Assembling stapler. Use sterile technique. Take out the disposable circular stapler. Remove the staple retainer. Connect disposable circular stapler to the powered handle according to the connection mark. Connection indicator turns on. Staple height indicator shows green, blue and white in order. System runs self-check. The jaw opens automatically. Remove the staple retainer. Using the instrument. Take off the anvil. Press close fire button to fully retract the trocar. Insert the anvil into target lumen. Secure a purse string onto the anvil tying area. Press open button to let the trocar pierce through target tissue until the orange trocar ring is visible. Connect the anvil to the instrument through the trocar. A click sound should be heard. Press close fire button to close the jaw. Jaw fully closed. Staple height indicator turns on. Status indicator flashes. Press and hold close fire button for 3 seconds to adjust staple height to accommodate different tissue thickness. Staple height indicator shows green, blue and white in order. Status indicator flashes faster after 15 seconds, indicating sufficient compression time. Instrument is ready to fire. Toggle the safety button from safety on to safety off. Press close fire button to fire the instrument. Preset firing compression time is 2 seconds. Firing completed. Staple height indicator and status indicator both turn on. Toggle the safety button from safety off to safety on. Jaw automatically opens a distance. Rotate the instrument 90 degrees in both directions. Gently pull out the instrument while simultaneously rotating the instrument. Press the open button to open the jaw to maximum. Take out the anvil and check the integrity of the breakaway washer and cut down tissue. Disassembling and disposing. Press release button on both sides to release the stapler. Replace with other stapler according to clinical need. Reassemble the empty disposable circular stapler. LED indicators will flash circularly, indicating instrument is reaching its upper firing limit of 1 firing. Instrument is inoperative. After surgery, press battery pack release button on both sides to pull out the battery. Reusable powered handle. Steps for use. Use sterile technique. Take out the powered handle, battery guide, and manual tool. Aim the notch of battery guide to the hinge of battery cover. Insert the battery guide vertically into the outer ring of battery compartment. Circulating nurse grabs the pull tab, arrow to arrow. Insert the battery pack into battery compartment. Push gently downward to ensure battery pack is fully seated. Take off the battery guide. Close the battery cover. Make sure the battery release button goes back to the initial position. A click should be heard. Power indicator turns on. Connection indicator flashes. Press close fire button and open button to make sure the powered handle is functional. The assembly and operation steps are the same with that of single-use powered handle. Press the release button on one side would make it easier to assemble the stapler. Disassembling and disposing. Press the battery compartment cover while toggle the battery release button to the unlock position. Open the battery compartment. Circulating nurse grabs the pull tab and take out the battery pack. All disposable parts should be discarded after surgery according to local regulation. Sterilize the reusable powered handle, battery guide and manual tool. Clean and charge the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Manual override. Press release button on both sides to remove the powered handle. Plug the socket of the manual tool to the input shaft of the stapler. When safety button at safety on, turn the manual tool counterclockwise 3 to 4 laps to open the jaw a distance and remove the instrument. When safety button at safety off, turn the manual tool counterclockwise until feeling resistance. Toggle safety button to safety on. Open the jaw a distance and remove the instrument.